Let's make some delicious high-protein buffalo mac and cheese. This is super easy to make. It doesn't take that long, and it serves up to 4 people. Watch the video to see how to make it. To make this spicy buffalo chicken mac and cheese, the first thing you're going to need to do is to boil some water. Generously salt this water to make it ready for the pasta. The pasta I'm using today is Banza chickpeas pasta. It has 20 grams of protein, and this whole box only has 340 calories. This recipe has 4 servings, so I'm going to use the full box of Banza chickpeas pasta. Make sure the water is at a boil, and then pour all the pasta in it. Cook for at least 6 minutes. Stir continuously until all the pasta is even. Now we wait. After cooking the pasta for around 8 minutes and stirring continuously, it looks ready. Using a colander, strain the pasta in the pasta water and then wash the pasta with cold water to ensure it doesn't overcook. Then we're going to take it and set it aside so we could start making the roux. In a large pot or skillet, yes, I am using the same one, put in 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Stir the butter until it covers the whole pan and melts evenly. After all the butter is melted, put in a few diced mini peppers and 1 jalapeno. Make sure to stir these continuously for at least 5 minutes until they get nice and sauteed in the butter. This is optional, but I added 2 more tablespoons of butter to make it extra creamy. Gradually add 2 tablespoons of flour and then start stirring to form a roux. After the flour is incorporated and slightly browned, add 2 cups of unsalted chicken bone broth. This will help enhance the flavor. For extra cheesiness, add about 1 cup or 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese. Make sure to stir it in well. After the Velveeta has soaked up in the mixture, add 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Make sure it's shredded. After this mixture gets nice and thick, we're going to add 1 more cup of Colby Jack cheese. Make sure this is also shredded. Stir well until all the cheese is melted and it becomes really thick. To this thick cheesy mixture, add 1/4 cup of Texas Pete hot sauce. It's optional, but I feel like that's the best tasting hot sauce out here. Add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Make sure to continuously stir so the cheese sauce incorporates the powder. Make sure to stir well after adding both powders, and then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add all of our pasta from earlier. Make sure to stir well so all the sauce gets into every pasta piece. For some more protein and lovely taste, add some shredded rotisserie chicken. Make sure to mix well so all the sauce gets into the little bits of the chicken. For the final touches, add your mac and cheese to a broiler dish. Then put a thin layer of shredded cheese on top. Pop this bad boy in the broiler for a few minutes, and then let's see how it turns out at the end. Just came out of the broiler. Look at that cheesiness. Think it's ready to plate, guys. Make sure to plate and serve with an ice cold drink. Enjoy, guys.